Hi everybody, so welcome to Rank Booster number 15, and today's question is from the topic of Freundlich adsorption isotherm, which comes under surface chemistry. Okay, so let's read the question. Following data were obtained for acetic acid on charcoal surface. So if acetic acid is given, this is going to be our adsorbate and the charcoal surface is our adsorbent. Right. Now, it is given that the concentration of the acid at probably two different instances are 0.05 molar and 1.5 molar, and corresponding extent of adsorption is also given. The question is the value of K and N in the Freundlich adsorption isotherm are given theta is equal to Kp to the power N. Now, understand that in certain textbooks, the extent of adsorption is equal to Kp to the power 1 by n, or in certain other textbooks, you can find theta is equal to Kp to the power n. And we need to answer the question according to whatever the questioner or the examiner wants. So he needs this equation, whatever the equation may be, the power, whether it is 1 by n or n, we said it is always going to be in between 0 to 1. Okay, the power, whether it is 1 by n or n, is going to be between 1 and 1. Sorry, 0 and 1. All right. So now they have said that this is the equation that we have to use. So let's take log on both sides because we need to plug in these values at two different instances. So we get log theta is equal to log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So this is log K plus log P to the power N. And so that is because log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Okay. And also we know that log A to the power B is B log A. So based on that, log theta is equal to log K plus N log P from this relation. Now we have got the equation wherein if we plot a graph between log of the extent of adsorption versus log P, we would get a straight line. Correct? We would get a straight line. Let's assume this is a straight line. Why? Because this is our y, this is our x, and this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. So our question is to find this k and n. So we can find the n by finding the slope of this line. Correct? Now how to find the slope of any line? The slope of any line is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Correct? Now see the theta and the concentration value. Instead of pressure, what they have given is in the concentration terms. That's fine. Both are the same. Okay? They are the same. And the concentration at two different instances are also given. Correct. So we can take this one as P1, this as theta1, this is P2, and this one as theta2. Now, what is our y-axis? Our y-axis is log of theta. So our slope would be log of theta2 minus log of theta1 divided by log of P2 minus log of P1. Please do not make the mistake of calculating theta2 minus theta1 by P2 minus P1. No, this is absolutely wrong because our graph is between log theta versus log P. All right. Now the values of theta2, theta1, P2 and P1 are known. It's given in the question. So when we plug those values, slope is equal to log of 0.19 minus log of 0.01, the whole divided by log of 1.5 minus log of 0.05. Now you can use your calculators, find the value. The value n is going to be equal to 0.865. This is the value of the slope that you get. This is the value of the slope that you get. Okay. Now, when you have the slope, again, let's come back to the equation. That is log theta is equal to log of k plus n log p. Correct? We can plug in the values of theta 1 over here, theta 1 and p1 over here, and find the value because n is also known, p1 is known, theta 1 is also known. We can easily find the value of k. All right, so let's try that. So log of theta 1 is 0.01 is equal to log k is what we have to find, plus the slope is 0.865 log p1. What was the value of p1? 0.05. That's it. So if we rearrange, log k is equal to log of 0.01 minus 0.865 log of 0.05. So the value of log k that I'm getting is nearly minus 0.8735 is what I'm getting. So if I need to get k, I'll need to take anti-log on both sides. So taking anti-log on both sides, k is equal to 10 to the power minus 0.8735. And this is nearly equal to 0.1338. This is the numerical value of k that we get. This is one way, or what you can do is you can use theta 1 is equal to k p to the power n. This can also be used. Okay, so the value of theta over here is 0.01. This is equal to k, which we don't know. So if I take p1 to this side, this is 0.05, the whole raised to 0.865. This can also be done to find the value of k. You will be getting the same answer, 0.134. That's it. So they have asked only the numerical values. So let's stick to the numerical values. These are the answers, okay? N is equal to 0.865, K is equal to 0.1338. Okay, so it's a good question. Such a type of question is not yet asked in either GATE or NET. So you can expect such questions, okay? All right, so see you in the next. Bye.